Now let me guide you through creating stunning text effects in InShot on your phone, step by step, ensuring you achieve beautiful results easily. First, let's open InShot and carefully add your videos to start creating amazing effects together. Next, we tap on the text option and then select text again. Here, we can write any text we desire, allowing for creativity and personalization in our project. Next, we can choose another video for our project. Here, let's select a clip that fits perfectly with our theme, like this one that adds a vibrant touch to our creative vision. Now we tap on text again, and here we can enter your unique text. After that, we can proceed to customize it further as needed. Let's choose a beautiful effect, but first, we can select a font. For instance, let's go with something stylish and eye-catching. It will be something like this, and everything will be great. After that, we can choose the next option here carefully. Let's choose a stylish font along with a stunning effect. For example, we can select something like this. It looks really amazing. By the way, both the background and the text can be changed. You can easily do this right here, as you can see, for better effects. Now let's change the color to something like this. It looks very beautiful and truly amazing, as you can see. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck and a wonderful day ahead. Until next time, goodbye and take care.